Hi everybody! Today we are going to look at the COS2 COS2 BS variation. Um, it is actually a variation that I worked on just by adding params to the original COS variation. So if you just look at the look at that. Oh, wait a minute. I meant to do that as a final. And the COS variation was created by Kothi. It's part of the complex functions plugin pack here, and it is based on a cosine wave, which is just opposite of a sine wave. So if you just look at the grid here and see how it works, kind of warps around into the middle here. As we move it around. But now with my variation, the COS2, or the COS2, we set the variation. We have 4 variables here, which 2 work on the X plane and 2 work on the Y plane. And we play with the variables. And see how we can shrink and expand on the 2 planes. And also, if you, especially on the X2, you keep expanding it, maybe it was the X1. Let's see. It actually acts as a, you kind of get to see how it acts as a waveform here. So it's really good at, can be used as a final or as a regular variation. So let's give it a try using the plain WF and change the axis to 0. Increase brightness here. Da, da, da. going to make the plane invisible. And zoom in. So you see here how it is warping around the plane on the plane. And then for fun, adjust the variables. Yes, it was the X1, not X2, that you can, if you increase them, it gives you kind of a wave type of effect. Here I have the X1 up to, down to -14. Let me pick a different gradient here. And that's a little bit better. And it can also use on the XYZ plane for a little bit of a 3D effect, or not effect, it actually works on 3D. That's what I wanted. And let's increase the weight here some. And so you see how it is warping in almost like, if you look at the graph here, into a sine wave, which you can see follows along here. And here it's just basically increasing what's called the, I think it's the amplitude. You know, what's kind of cool about these, what's the word, complex variations, are you can actually, since most of these functions are used to make variations, you can combine them to almost make a variation of your own within, but just using them as transforms. So I'm going to say that is about it for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.